See, it is a known fact. I was just looking at the work going on in full swing as far as the flyover is concerned. It's only one or two sections where they have temporarily halted the work because they are getting a fresh NOC according to the relevant height that is required. They are seeing whether at the existing design which was there prior to the controversy, whether it really obstruct OLS comes into play or not. If it does not come into play, then the same thing will continue. Suppose they decide, the National Highway Authority and the Airport Authority of India and the Navy, suppose they decide that that height is okay, it will remain so. Suppose some changes are to be done, National Highway Authority of India will make the necessary changes in the height. So what is the problem? There is no question of stopping the flyover. There is no question of stopping the good development that is taking place in entire Goa. But there are some negative people. They catch one small string and they try to blow it out of proportion. Like how much they were raving and ranting. They are known for that. People have lost faith in what they say. Otherwise, there would have been such a hue and cry which they expected from people of South Goa. Why there is no reaction? Because they know this government believes in good development. Government will definitely see that the flyover is complete to its fullest, serving the people of Goa. Do you want a scenario tomorrow? I want to ask these people. Now people are residing here, there in Daboli, next to airport. They have to cross over. They have to use the highway. Do you want the traffic from MPA, that is Mormugao Port, to come and impact them and stop traffic everywhere? Have double or triple the accidents that never took place? Do they want such a situation? That is the moot question. They don't first of all understand anything, or even if they understand, they want to bring some negativity in public mind and say that something is not good. They are known for that.